Good morning, everyone. Today I want to share my morning routine that helps me speak English confidently. This routine is simple, practical, and perfect for daily life, especially if you live in the United States or want to sound more confident when speaking English. Confidence in English does not come overnight. It is built slowly through small habits, and for me, the morning is the most powerful time to practice. Your mind is fresh, your stress is low, and your focus is high. That is why my English speaking journey starts every morning. As soon as I wake up, I sit on my bed and take a deep breath. I start speaking simple English sentences to myself. I say things like, "Today is a good day." I am confident when I speak English. I don't need perfect English, I need clear English. This self talk helps remove fear and self doubt. Many people living in the United States understand English well but feel nervous when speaking. This fear usually comes from overthinking mistakes. Morning self talk train the mind to stay calm and positive. After that, I go to the bathroom and stand in front of the mirror. Mirror practice is one of the most powerful part of my routine. I look at myself and speak English out loud for a few minutes. I talk about simple things such as how I slept, how I feel, and what I plan to do during the day. I don't try to sound perfect or copy anyone's accent. I focus on speaking slowly, clearly, and confidently. In American culture, people value clarity and confidence much more than perfect pronunciation, and this practice helps me feel comfortable with my own voice. While brushing my teeth or washing my face, I continue thinking in English. I describe my action in my mind or quietly out loud. I say things like, "I am getting ready for the day," or "I need to be on time for work." This habit trained my brain to stop translating from my native language. Thinking in English makes speaking feel natural and automatic, which is very important for real life conversation in the USA. When I move to the kitchen to make coffee or breakfast, my English practice continues. I describe what I am doing in simple sentences. I might say, "I am making coffee," or "I like to eat a healthy breakfast." These are everyday sentences that Americans use all the time. Practicing them daily helps me feel more confident when I speak to coworkers, store employee, or neighbors. Simple language is powerful, and daily repetition builds fluency. During breakfast, I listen to real American English. I choose short podcasts, YouTube videos, or daily vlogs spoken by native speakers. I don't focus on understanding every single word. Instead, I listen to the tone, rhythm, and flow of the language. This helps me understand how Americans naturally connect words and express emotions. Listening every morning improves my pronunciation and helps me sound more natural when I speak. After listening, I repeat a few useful sentences out loud. These are common morning phrases like, "I need to get ready for work," or "I am running a little late." These sentences are very practical in American daily life. Repeating them every morning makes them part of my active vocabulary. When I need to use them in real conversation, they come out naturally without hesitation. Before leaving home, I write a short English journal. I don't write long paragraphs, just a few simple lines. I write about my plans for the day, one positive thoughts, and one English goal. Writing helps organize my thoughts and improve my speaking ability. It also helps me stay motivated and focused on improvement instead of perfection. On my way to work, whether I am driving or using public transportation, I continue practicing English in my mind. I imagine small conversations such as greeting a coworker, ordering coffee, or answering a simple questions. This mental practice prepare me for real situations. When the moment comes, I don't panic because my brain already feels familiar with the conversation. This morning routine works because it is simple, realistic, and easy to follow every day. It does not require expensive courses or perfect grammar. It focusing on confidence, clarity, and daily practice. In the United States, people respect effect and confidence. They understand that English may not be your first language and they appreciate when you speak clearly and without fear. Even spending 20 to 30 minutes every morning can create a big difference over time. English confidence grow through daily habits, not overnight success. The key is consistency. When English becomes part of your morning, it becomes part of your life. If you want to speak English confidently, start your day with English. Speak to yourself, listen to real conversation, and practice without fear. Don't wait until you feel perfect because confidence comes after speaking, not before. If I can build confidence through my morning routine, you can too. Thanks for watching.